you guys, I am at the park. I am chilling out. My parents are in, so they are at the house with my daughter. This is like my me time. I love coming to the park, enjoying like the fresh air, enjoying the sun. Like, I don't know if you guys can really tell how bright the sun is, but it's giving me all the vitamin D I need in life, okay? I also have my juice, so you know I have to travel with my juice. And I'm just chilling out. I actually bought like a whole case of juices, and it just shows you that, you know, I'm still juicing like crazy. And I just want to give you guys a little update on how the refeeding process is going. So I've been taking in a lot of watermelon, pomegranates, and broth. Those are the only 3 things I haven't taken in. Like, it's crazy. I really need to up my game and finally introduce avocado, because I have been craving avocado, but I was a little scared about introducing it because I didn't really think about how my stomach would respond. I was just a little scared about that. But I think it's time now. I feel more comfortable now. I feel like my stomach maybe, you know, up to it now. As far as the broth goes, I think that it has been causing me to bloat because, you know, maybe I put too much salt in it. I'm unsure, but I don't like the way it makes me feel after I drink it, because that's what I have been doing it. I've been putting it in a little container like this or my to-go bottles, and I've been feeling like super bloat, and I don't like that. So maybe it's the salt. Maybe my body isn't used to taking in that much sodium yet, and maybe I need to get my stomach used to it, or my body used to it, or maybe I just put too much salt in it. I don't know. My mom actually helped me make it, so I'm unsure if she's just being heavy-handed on the salt, because she did go behind me to try to help me with the broth. So maybe we both put salt in it. It didn't taste salty, and I think I would know that considering that I wasn't taking in anything that's like was extremely salty in my juice fast. I did take in a little bit of sea salt, like on my finger, like I would lick my hand, and I would put a little salt and I would lick my hand. So that was the only thing that I kind of did throughout my juice fast, but I haven't really taken in sodium like that. So I don't know if it's just me, or, you know, if we definitely use too much salt. But other than that, everything has been great. Like, I think I love the lifestyle of juicing. I don't know if I will ever be able to shake that, because it has been really like helping me mentally, physically, emotionally. I feel so much better like in my spirit since I went on this 90-day juice fast. Like, it kind of makes me feel like if I take in tons of food, like solid foods, outside of fruit like avocados and nuts and seeds and things of that nature, it makes me feel like, you know, I am going to go back to feeling like how I was. And I really need to get out of that mindset, because I don't think that's the case. But, you know, some of the things that I do plan on doing like this weekend, should I say, is I plan on drinking some nut milk to just increase my calories, since I am still like juicing like crazy. I also plan on eating more nuts as well. I really need to go ahead and increase my calories now, because I don't need to be in a caloric deficit. Like, not past, you know, at this point it's like it's past 90 days. I really need to go heavy on the refeeding and making sure that I take in enough calories each day leading up to my next juice fast in December, which is only 7 days. I probably won't do another prolonged juice fast until next year sometime. I haven't put a date on it, and that depends on if it's necessary, you know what I mean? Because I may just stick with raw foods, like raw fruit. Like, it works the same. So if you are, you know, juice fasting or stepping into it, you can do raw foods. You don't necessarily have to juice. I think juicing is just taking it to the next level, but it does not mean that you're not going to get the same results, because I've been eating raw foods, or fruit should I say, like crazy, and I still feel the same benefits. I don't feel like much has changed as far as like the benefits that I was receiving on my juice fast. So I just want to give you guys, you know, a little insight on that. You can go raw if you feel like you can't juice, especially, you know, considering the financial part of it. Definitely eat raw foods. Like, don't give up on your healing journey because of, you know, things like juicing. Like, if you can't juice, it's totally fine. Just go raw, primarily fruit, and you should get the same results. Now, how long it takes, I don't know. I'm assuming the same amount of time, but, you know, I haven't tested it out yet. So, you know, eventually I plan on testing it out. I don't think I'm going back to like cook food like that. I don't know. I just feel like now I'm starting to really see that dead food is really dead food. Like, it does nothing for the body. Like, when I eat my fruit or drink my juice, I feel the benefits. And when I eat cooked food, I don't. And I'm not saying that cooked food is just all unhealthy, because I think anything you eat in moderation works. But I just feel like, you know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm not really getting much from cooked food. So my goal is to just stay all raw. And, you know, if I do eat cooked food, it'll be like very small amounts. This juice fast has really broke a lot of my food cravings. It's a lot of things that I don't crave anymore, like especially the sugary junk food and, you know, the carbs. Like my body just does not crave that anymore. So that's one thing I will say that I love about this juice fast, because that's something that you don't necessarily experience or know that you're experiencing it, or know that it's been broken, until you try to go back to eating something and then you realize that you're no longer interested. And that's, you know, what's happening with me, because it goes back to what I said in one of my other videos when I said sometimes you don't really see the benefits until after your juice fast is over. I am putting my stamp on that now. If you are struggling throughout your juice fast, keep in mind that the best has yet to come. Sometimes your body have to go through that surge, and then when it's finally over and you go back into that refeeding process, trust me, it seems like all the benefits just, you know, drop in your lap. But your girl has to go to Starbucks because y'all see that acorn almost hit me? But your girl has to go to Starbucks because I love the scenery, and I haven't really been out anywhere. As you guys know, I've been home, not going to restaurants because of my juice fast or whatever. So it feels good to get out again, and I am going to Starbucks to chill out. Luckily, the Starbucks by me let me bring in a lot of juice, well, outside drinks, and they let me chill out. So they, you know, I love it. It's just finding that place that respect what you have going on. Even though they have their menu, they still allow you to bring in outside food. I love that. And the Starbucks down the street from me allow me to do it. So I am going to hang out there because I have some stuff that I need to work on, which I'll be telling you guys about it because you guys need to know. But not right now. I'm not gonna tell you right now. Just enjoy life now. Not that I wasn't enjoying life before, but it's just, it feels like a different type of freedom. You know what I mean? Just not, you know, trying to plan everything around juicing. It feels good not to do that anymore. It feels good to go in the restaurant and like, or Starbucks, should I say, because a lot of places I've been, it hasn't really been surrounded by food. It really was just drinks like tea and, you know, things of that nature. So I do, you know, want to get out more and just enjoy life and enjoy this refeeding process. So I want to bring you guys to Starbucks with me. So let's go. I'm in the process of getting this video edited so I can post it for you guys by tomorrow. But on another note, I am working on something to help a lot of you guys who are struggling on a juice fast and need a little bit more support, and I want to give you that. So I am working on something and I will be announcing it in my next video, and I think that you are going to love it, so make sure you stay tuned.